Hello guys, and welcome back to another video from Let's Talk by George. In today's video, what we are going to do is we are going to check out the latest MIUI 13. Yes, that is correct. MIUI 13 has been launched into the market, and well, couple of devices have received already MIUI version, and the version that is in front of us is a port for Poco M3 Citrus from one of our friends in Citrus community. And as we can see that the long awaited memory extension is working with this particular ROM. As you can see, the RAM is 6 GB, and plus on top of that we get additional of 1 GB extra as memory extension. Since this memory extension option was broken in the latest EU version of 12.5 which Poco has received, even the stock version which MIUI gave us an update, still it was broken in that particular version. But in this port, as we can see that the memory extension is working fine. As you can see, the kernel can be the default kernel whichever came with the ROM. Now the ROM, I believe, has been taken from Redmi Note 9T. This is my guess. So these are about the system specification, and let's go to device information and see furthermore information about the build. So let's go to the system tab. These as you can see that the security version is 01/12/2021, and the build type is user tags release keys, and you can see the fingerprint and stuff like that, some additional information over here. Now talking about MIUI 13, going to the app world, as you can see that some app, it's not completely translated since this port was taken from a Chinese version of ROM. To talk about the user interface and all, we don't get any new user interface in MIUI 13. Now what we are getting is we are just getting a new font, MIUI 13 font. Apart from that, yes, there are some useful features, such as if you go and dial 121, let me show you something. AI call assistant. So you can do something about it, which I'm not sure. Let me see what it is going to do it. Okay, fine. So okay, so it's not functioning properly over here. Maybe let's have a look if it can generate subtitles. No, network error, no answer. Okay, fine. So there is an option like AI MIUI, AI assistant for MIUI. So if you just want to enable subtitles for your call, maybe this is something that they expect or something like that. I'm not sure about what is going to happen over here, but there is such an option available with it. And even you can see that it has something new, new kind of interface. So you get the data used this month over here. So these are, when we talk about MIUI 13 in general, we don't get any user interface update like major changes in the design of the user interface, but we do get a lot of options. So basically you can see like how many minutes that I've used this particular number, and about this number, how many minutes that I've used, and what is the default like balance and all. So this is something useful. So basically you get a lot of information over here, such as recharge record, edit SIM phone number, feedback, select interface. So you can select the interface, which I do not know what they are on about, but still a lot of new things are being added on to this particular row. And even if you go to messages, you get some tabs over here, which I believe even this was available in the other version of ROM, even in MIUI 12.5. So that's okay. Let's go back again to the settings page. Now we are in the settings page, and as you can see that we have we don't yet have any major UI changes over here, but we may get some new options. So let's go to the wallpaper and notification and stuff like that, and let's go to the library and see what all wallpapers we are getting. So we are getting a bunch of new wallpapers over here. As you can see, we are getting quite a lot of new wallpapers, which is really nice. That's okay. And going further down, sound and vibration, you have the MI assistant soundbar over here, so you can basically adjust the MIUI MIUI sound assistant. And yeah, these all are the options that you get over here. These options are really available in 12.52, so there is nothing much change over here. And further coming down, let's go to the home screen. Do we get any new options? No, we just get the regular stuff. So yeah, show memory status, and let's have a look how the memory consumption is. Okay, it's a little bit better. So that is about it. And fingerprint, you get a screen lock, fingerprint unlock, and face unlock with this particular ROM. And additional settings, do we have anything over here? No. Yeah, memory extension. See, the memory extension is working over here, which is really good, and which is really fantastic. So these all are the information about the UI which we get in MIUI 13. And let's go to the lock screen. Let's see if charging animation after device unlocked, and let's see if we are going to get any new clock phases. Not yet. All right, so let's talk about the port itself, and we can see that we have a new new app for the music, but it is in Chinese. Well, we cannot complain that, because the port has been taken from a Chinese base, so we cannot really complain about it. So this is the MI video. It's taking a bit long. So this is about this particular app, and this is how it works. Well, I'm not going to it's even in Chinese. And calendar, this is something that you get. It's still in Chinese, but with no major UI changes. These all are the default app that you are going to get, and you get MIUI over here. Okay, agree. Again, that is in Chinese. Not all apps has been translated into English, but many apps are in Chinese. It's fine. Let's go to the file manager and see how the file manager looks like. Yeah, we are all familiar with the same kind of user interface for file manager from 12.5 itself, so that's okay. Any other changes? Well, nothing mainly. You get a new music player over here in the quick settings. So if you just want to listen to something, you can do that. And apart from that, we are not getting any other options. So guys, this is really, this is a quick review about MIUI 13 on device Poco M3 Citrus, and the port is working very fine. The port is extremely fine, and many thanks to the person whoever has ported this particular ROM to our device, and it is working very well. Just what are the bugs? Well, I have not yet experienced any bugs. I just made this video just for a review of MIUI 13. I have not experienced any bugs as of now. Apart from the fact that many apps are in Chinese, we cannot really complain about it. It doesn't come with the default Play Store. What you need to do is you just need to download the latest Nick G apps core version for Android 11, install it, and sign into your Google account. Well, I haven't tried to sign into Google account since just using the build for a review. So I have no plans to use it as a daily driver. Can you use it for a daily driver? Definitely you can use it, but I'm not planning to use it. So yeah, that's about it. And once again, I would like to thank you for watching the video, and please make sure that you stay subscribed to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any further updates. Thank you very much.